December 3rd, 2020 practice. Convert 18 feet to yards. All right, so first off, what we start with is 18 feet. So 18 feet. All right, perfect. And we're going to try to get it to yards. So we're going to try to get it to yards. So 18 feet is what we're going to start off with. 18 feet. All right, now, when we have 18 feet, we are going to put this over 1. We're going to put this over 1. So 18 feet over 1 just means 18 feet. Now we're going to multiply. Remember, we want to try to get rid of this feet, so we need to put feet down here. So if we put feet down here, we're trying to get it to yards. So feet and yards, I know that, oops, this should be 6. I know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard. So I took the 3 feet in 1 yard. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. So then I place them here. The feet is diagonal, so we can cross them out. Now, or instead of crossing them out, we can cancel them out. All right, so bring the front. There we go. Now we're going to multiply straight across. So after we are able to cross out our feet and our feet, so we have yards left. 18 times 1 equals, oh wait, I was right there, equals 18. And then 1 times 3 equals 3. Now, what is the problem here? That's not over 1, right? So we have 18 yards divided by 3, or 18 over 3. Remember, this fraction bar also means division. So what is 18 divided by 3? Well, if you don't know, which is okay, 18 divided by 3 equals, well, how many times can 3 go into 18? 6 times. So 3 times 6 is 18. And then when you subtract, boop, boop, a-choo, boom, shakalaka. When you subtract, you get 0. So there's nothing left to bring down. There's no remainders. So our answer is 6 yards. 6 yards. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And then keep that yards here. So keep that yards there. So 6 yards is our answer. And that's it for our practice.